the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. 30 individuals have been arrested in connection with drug trafficking across several provinces. The demolition of vulnerable sections of the mountain slope along Kabul-Jalalabad highway. And Israel has violated 738 times the ceasefire in Gaza over the past 60 days. Welcome to today's news package. It's Wednesday, the 19th of Jamad al-Thani, 1447, the 19th of August, 1404, and the 10th of December, 2025. The news details. The Minister of Interior, in a press release, states that its counter-narcotic police have arrested 30 individuals involved in the production, trafficking, and sale of the narcotics in several provinces of the country. Based on the statement, the detainees were apprehended in the provinces of Khost, Bamiyan, Faryab, Badakhshan, Takhar, Kapisa, Panjshir, Balkh, Laghman, Kunduz, Maidan Wardak, and Parwan, where authorities also seized intoxicating tablets, alcoholic beverages, and quantities of hashish and opium. The National Disaster Management Authority has announced that in order to reduce risks and protect the lives and property of citizens, it has launched an operation today at 12 p.m. to demolish vulnerable section of the mountain slope along Kabul-Jalalabad highway, specifically the Dimkasi, the area of Laghman province. The authority added that for the purpose of ensuring public safety, during the operation, the highway has been temporarily closed to traffic. Travelers may use the alternative route passing through Charbagh of Qarqai district. The news continuation. Herat Chamber of Commerce and Investment has announced that in the first 6 months of the current year, more than 22 tons of saffron worth approximately $30.035 million have been exported to international markets, and the process continues. Europe, the United States, Arab countries, and East and South Asian countries have been identified as the primary destination for Afghanistan's saffron export. In accordance with the Chamber, this year's saffron harvest in Herat province is estimated at around 40 tons. And finally, Al Jazeera News Network, citing the Gaza Media Office, reports that in the past 60 days, the Israeli regime has violated the U.S.-brokered Gaza ceasefire at least 738 times. Based on the report, the attacks have resulted in the martyrdom of at least 377 Palestinians and have injured 987 others. That's the end of our news program. For further informative materials, you could track Urooj on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.